It's unboxing time, you guys. The mail lady was just here and I ran to get the box, slice it open, and I ran to get my camera. I have an unboxing today from a small leather goods brand that I discovered maybe about a year ago. Maybe it was more like 8 or 9 months ago. But I have just always wanted to buy one of these bags, and I just finally pulled the trigger, and I'm just so excited to share this brand with you. So the brand is called Visit Jack Lake. Luann makes these beautiful handcrafted leather bags from Washington State, and I've loved every bag that she's posted on her Etsy shop, but this one, like, I didn't even have to think about. I saw it and immediately was like, oh my gosh, please, yes. So let's take a look at it. All right, so first of all, thank you for choosing handmade. I hope you love this bag as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you, Luann. That's so nice. I'm such a sucker for a personal note. Like, that just means so much. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so dust bags, you guys, are so nice, and I never expect to get a dust bag. That is never on my expectation list, but when I get a substantial dust bag, I'm always so impressed. And look at this. This is so nice, and it's a nice fabric too. I don't know if it's linen or what, but it's definitely soft, even though it looks like it wouldn't be. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna drop the box and hold on to the goods. And I see she gave me a little extra something special here. A little tag with my initial. Wow, oh my gosh, there's something else too. Let me show you the bag first though. Look at this. This is so much fun. Okay, so it is that natural vachetta leather that I just love. And how kind of her. I was really hoping she would do this because I've seen that she's done this for other people. It's never an expectation. Oh my gosh, and a tassel. She gave me a tassel too. You know, like when I make a purchase of a bag from a small, handcrafting type of business, I never expect extra goodies, but when you do get one, it's so nice. So she gave me a nice little L for my initial for Lisa, and then tassels too. Isn't that so cute, you guys? Oh my goodness. So what I love about this style tote is obviously it's good for the summertime. We could pack lunches in it. We could put beach toys in it when we go to the playground or to the beach or, sandbox, whatever. So I do love that it's gonna let the unimportant things, the undesirable things fall out, and hopefully not the things that I want to keep with me. But I have another idea for this bag, and that is, as you guys know, I like to store my bags in pillowcases just to keep them nice. And I thought, how beautiful would this bag look with a black pillowcase inside to help conceal all my contents, and then carrying it in the fall, I think, with that black interior would be so cool. I could even change it to like a navy pillowcase, or gosh, even like an emerald green pillowcase. And then in the spring and summer, like a cream color or a white pillowcase would be such a fun way to hide the contents of my purse if I want to do that. But I don't know that I always will, because I feel like in the listing for this bag, I think I saw a beautiful like green bubbly water glass bottle, and I thought, oh, that looks so pretty. I'm gonna need to get one of those for the inside. But look how beautiful. Everything is hand stitched. And the bottom, I forget what the listing said, but I feel like it's like 6 inches wide on the bottom, something like that. I'm sorry that I don't know exactly, but I thought the thickness of this was great. And actually the way she, in the listing, the way she described this is she said it's wide enough for a brown paper grocery bag. So you can put a brown paper grocery bag in here easily and use this as like extra support when you go to, the farmer's market or whatever. So you don't have to necessarily throw your veggies and things right in here. You can put it in that shopping bag. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I could use this as a farmer's market shopping bag, but you know me, things like this are just too pretty. So I will probably be babying this bag as I do all my bags. And yeah, oh, it's just so stunning and beautiful. Luann, thank you so much. I am so lucky to have this bag in my collection, and I'm sure it's going to patina beautifully as time goes on. You can see how blonde the handles are now, but of course, you know, with exposure to the environment, to my hand oils, to oxygen, this bag will darken, and I think it will look beautiful, but I just love it. I'm so excited. So definitely go on to Etsy, check out Visit Jack Lake. Tell Luann that I sent you, and check out her inventory. She has beautiful bags on there currently right now. She does sell quickly, but she also replenishes. So I'm sure you'll be able to find something that you love. And if you do get something from her, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Thanks everybody. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.